Hi, how you doing? This is Gianta here, and this is video 21 of the Facebook Page Engagement Challenge. I'm excited to come to you today and bring this video to you, showing you the engagement results. I've been getting a lot more shares lately, and a lot more people just engaging with my post in general on the comments, and my comments and my likes, loves, and laughs are definitely growing. So if we look at this post, it was actually from yesterday, and it has 81, 82, 83 likes, loves, and laughs, 19 comments, and 2 shares. So I'm getting more shares now. And then this one has, and it was from yesterday as well, and it has 68, 69, 70 likes, loves, and surprises, and 11 comments and 9 shares. And then this post right here has it was from 16 hours ago, and it has 51, 52, 53 likes, loves, and laughs, and 15 comments. And then today I posted this as well. I was gonna do a training for on my Zoom, but I think it's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact people that wanted that and pretty much go and talk to them in person. I think that would be more effective, because I didn't get a lot of responses on this post of people who wanted to do that. So I think I just might contact these people individually and do it that way with that. But yeah, my engagement is going up, and it's starting to become more solid now. And I highly recommend, if you're using Facebook, to use YouTube as well, because they're both free platforms. And with this whole engagement challenge, you could use both with each other, and actually start getting results on your Facebook. So if you want to find out these exact methods that I've learned that I'm using to actually get this engagement on my post and get these people who are interested in my brand, all you gotta do is click on that link below this video. It's gonna take you to a page. You're just gonna put in your information so we can stay connected, and from there, it's gonna show you exactly what I'm doing online, and I'll be here to help. If you need anything or you have any questions, just reach out. If you like this video, um, you know, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'm going to be talking about how you could actually, get more leads from this video as well. And if you're in a network marketing company or a affiliate, you're selling an affiliate product, you could use the same strategy to get people who are interested in whatever that product or service is. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and keep a lookout for the next video. I appreciate you, and talk to you soon.